Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we will see how to install and configure Gitlab 14.4 on Ubuntu 21.04. Gitlab is a repository hosting manager tool. It is a web-based DevOps lifecycle tool that provides a Git repository manager. It provides issue tracking and continuous integration and development pipeline features. First, I am going to check the OS version by using following command. Next, I am going to log in as root user by using following command. Next, I am going to change to the home directory. Next, I am going to install the dependencies by using following command. Next, I am going to add the Gitlab repository to the apt source list by using following command. Next, I am going to download the Gitlab package by using following command. After downloaded, I am going to install the Gitlab CE by using following command. After installation, I am going to start the Gitlab by using following command. After the configuration, we'll ping our IP address in the browser and we'll check the Gitlab. The default username is root. The password is located in Gitlab configuration file. Gitlab 14.4 installation on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed. Subscribe to Linux Help channel. Visit linuxhelp.com. For support, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.